Getting the most out of your Faux Pro requires that you take care of it. We're going to go over how to set it up, how to keep it clean, and how to get a good result with your Faux Pro. Every Faux Pro comes with a tips cheat sheet. Save this card. When you turn it over, it is a QR code to video tutorial on how to apply the spray tan solution using your Faux Pro machine. So make sure to take a look at that, okay? Take your Faux Pro out of the box, take the little cap off the nozzle, put it in your box. Put some warm water in your canister and reattach the canister to your Faux Pro. Do not turn and over tighten this. It's very important that you are gentle with it. Turn it on and let that water come on through. Let that warm water go all the way through and clear out that nozzle. You only need to press the button once for a continuous spray. After you've cleared the nozzle and the water is coming out, go ahead and dump that warm water and fill the canister with your solution. Our solutions are made with natural ingredients, so you really have to shake and redistribute all of those and get it all stirred and mixed up really good before you put it in the canister. Go ahead and pour your mixed solution into your canister. I recommend filling it to the 100 ml mark and reattaching it to the machine. It's very important for your skin to be wet in order for you to get a good result with the Faux Pro. When using it, make sure that you are spraying in an up and down motion. Don't tilt or twist your gun upside down. It should be up and down in very even strokes. Your skin needs to be very saturated and wet, almost to the point of dripping. Don't worry, you're gonna rub it in with the mitt. I like to go in sections, so I might first start with my legs or my arms in this case. So once I've sprayed my arm and it is good and wet, I'm gonna put a little solution right on that mitt. We don't want the mitt to remove the tan, but we do wanna help buff and rub it in. We're just gonna take the mitt and fully rub in every part of our skin. Not only does this help you dry faster and be less sticky, but it also helps to cover any potential mistakes so you don't have lines and stripes. No zebras here. We recommend waiting about 3 to 5 minutes before getting dressed. Make sure that while it's developing, a minimum of 6 hours, that you do not get wet. That includes washing your hands and your face. Any external water, sweat, rain, anything like that can leave streaks on your developing tan. When you do shower, make sure to be gentle with your skin. No harsh exfoliating. You want to keep this tan looking great. When you're finished using your Faux Pro for the day, it's super important to put the solution back into your refill container. If you don't have a steady hand, go ahead and use a funnel. Once your solution is back in the bag, please make sure to put the screw-on lid on this one on really good and tight. This is gonna help to keep air and bacteria out of your solution pack. Then you're gonna put warm water back in your Faux Pro and run it through the line again. This will get all of the solution cleared through the whole unit so that nothing sticky dries inside of it and creates a clog. You've got to run it clear through. Once the solution's already through and you've got the warm water coming out, go ahead and take the nozzle and the gun apart by just taking it off the canister and laying it down. You will wipe down the inside of the canister. I use a paper towel and put the canister aside so that it air dries. And then I also take a paper towel and I wipe gently around in here and in that top area just to make sure that there's no leftover solution. I'm gonna let it air dry overnight and then I'll put it all back together back in the box in the morning.